Okay, today we're going to do an unboxing of this Cyber Ray Robots. It's dated 1992. Right about there. Apparently there was 3 versions, which means there's probably more versions out here somewhere. What's got me a little worried, I was just walking by and looking at it and going, wonder what that thing does, is that it's still taped shut. It's still wired in, so I know I've never been in there, but it also shows that it had batteries in it. Not a good sign, so let's find out if we're lucky or not so lucky. Cutting the tape. In the box it kind of sounds like that just makes a lot of different sounds. It doesn't sound like it walks or anything, which is probably why I never opened it up. That means I probably got it for Christmas. Here, if you want to see the different versions, you may freeze frame and read to your heart's content. Looks like I got it from a KB Toys. It was kind of expensive. Originally it was $19.99 and then it was marked down to $12.99, which seems kind of high for something that doesn't even walk. It's not mechanical. But if it had a following, I guess they can charge whatever the market will allow. Wow. This thing is really wired in there. I'm getting it though. I'm getting it. It's a long wire tie. And they really wrapped that puppy around. Looks like they did a full wrap job on the wire tie and then put the robot in the box. We're getting there though. Should be able to lift it out pretty soon. Okay, if you placed your bets down below whether the batteries have leaked like a sieve and ruined everything. See, 1992, so like 30 years ago? I believe it is. 30 years. Holy shamoly. I always try to at least remove the batteries from these things. You know, it's got an arm that can come off and on. I think it just pops on there somehow. Yep. Okay. Still one twisty left. Oh, twisty on the bottom too. There we go. Trendmasters. Has wheels, posable arms. Alright, let's find out the good or the bad news. Looks like it's the little button cell batteries, unfortunately. Because those puppies almost always leak. Well, looks a little furry on one end. The spring is still in good shape, but that connector there, as you can see, I'm going to have to do some cleaning on. I'm going to have to do a temporary scrape job here so we can just see what the toy even did. Then I'll have to go back in there with some CRLX or something and clean it up. It hasn't eaten through the chrome or anything, it's all on the surface. You see there is the one that was boogering and its back is bulged out, so I guess it could have leaked a whole lot worse in 30 years. So, let's see. I really don't know if I've got it clean enough for anything to happen here. Yes, apparently so. Alright. Well, there's a flashing lid in there. Let's try another button. Wow, that's a long one. Energizing grip. The other one was extend blade. We heard fire. A few words I haven't caught. I'm going to start again up here. This one. Fire. Extend blade. Energizing grip, extend blade, fire. Well, I don't know. It still seems to me a little high priced for just a little sound effects thing. But perhaps Cyber Ray robots were a thing back in 1992. I don't know. In any case, now I've got to walk around and try to find the other two versions. I have, this is blades, so there's still a gunner and an ace floating around somewhere, which I may or may not have. I don't know. I have actually no memory of where I got this. I'm just guessing it was either a birthday or a Christmas present, because normally I don't purchase things that aren't mechanical in some way. But in any case, if you have never seen it before, there's your 30-year-old Cyber Ray Bots blades with an S.